Hazrat Abu Jamra Dubai reports that he heard from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. The delegate of the tribe Abdul Qais visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we live along with the tribe Rabia. The infidels of the tribe Mudar intervened between you and us, so we can see you only during the scared month. So kindly tell us instructions which we ourselves must follow and invite the other members of our tribe to them too. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I command you to observe four things and forbid you four things. He commanded them to 1. Believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then held his hand tight. 2. Establish prayer. 3. Pay poor due. 4. Keep fast. 5. Pay the royal fifth out of the war booty. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam forbade them. 1. Hollow gourd. 2. Polished vessel of hollow trunk of date palm. 3. Green glazed pitcher. 4. Bowl coated with pitch. Utensils for keeping and using wine. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3095.